everyone! Hi guys, good morning. So today is 5th of April and we're going to the beach. So basically, we're going to Muro Beach and the plan is that the whole class is gonna be there. We're gonna film some stuff for the class video, yada yada yada. But aim to have fun today and use my camera for the first time. So excited. So yeah, here's the outfit of the day. I'm wearing my dad's shirt. It's like black tank, shorts, and my slippers. So currently it's pouring and we're still going, so I'll update you when we reach. So update, we're gonna go to Taste. Guess who I met? Do you wanna share your feeling about today?
Already. I think we're gonna be like, we're not gonna have fun. You know why? Because it's raining so much right now.
Facts.
You can put it down.
Okay, so we're in Taste and we're gonna go shopping at Tarts. One tip in life, get Portuguese egg tarts. They're amazing. Okay. I'll update. I'll get you I'll start vlogging again once we meet another person. Look who we found. Do you want to give your thoughts about today? Excuse me. Hello.
So where's the chips?
Not here. They're...
You see, is my voice like that still?
No. They're here. Chips. Do you want to give your thoughts about today? She's sick. They're tripods. Look at my angles now. Okay, wait. There's a mirror here, right? So I'm using a selfie stick currently.
We're like doing this.
Guys, you want to take a picture?
Like, you know those thumbnails?
Yeah.
Where they like make everything bigger?
I feel so dry.
This is so much easier. Oh.
Stabilize.
I just got attacked with ice. She got ice attacked. Yo, I love this. Whoa. Look at how high up we are. I can get the nice shot. I have. Oh no, I don't. Oh yeah, we need water. Okay.
Either half an hour late, 5 minutes late, 10 minutes late. Look at the group chat.
What if we just bring this?
Get medals.
Meadows is in here at the marketplace. What's the difference between the yellow and the green?
This is mineral.
Oh,
Wait, why don't we get that
first
big
time
one?
finding that out. Sorry guys.
What are these shots you're getting? What the heck? You gotta get a POV. Can this extend further? No. Go like this. Hold it backward.
Is it like? Yeah, this is eye level.
Worst shot ever. Look at this chaos here. This is so hard to vlog. What the hell? Oh, don't be a whore.
You want a strawberry?
Oh my goodness.
Show the vlog.
She came. Oh, sorry, you're too tall.
What did I buy? You just came back in the
Look at angles. Angle. They just left it.
Yo, I love this.
Big family. I don't know what they're
Oh, also got versus Celsius.
Jolly Shandy. You want
Celsius
Celsius?
is on that.
Let's go.
Okay, guys, should we go?
Done, you got it?
Anything else? Are we?
Food, right? What? I just have guac. That's all I have.
What? We did. We gotta go soon.
Wait, we need sunglasses, bro. Find sunglasses.
Oh, here.
Try and open.
Wait, my purse. My purse. I gotta show my purse.
Wait, let's take pictures. Hold on.
photos here now.
Okay, I'm gonna go now, guys. I'll update you when we're at the bus. Bye.
Cheese.
Bye.
Cheese.
Hi, guys. So we no, it's fine. So we met.
I needed to put my
Nah,
hair
it's too
right.
much work. I'll do it later.
Okay, I'll put it in. Stop being
So we met everyone. Guys, you want to introduce yourself?
Where's the stick?
I mean, shoot yeah, man. I'm gonna use that. Can you do another close to the mic?
There you go. It's your role.
Okay, guys.
She's got it done.
This is everyone. Do you want to introduce yourself?
Yes, I am Ruba and I am super excited. It's gonna be lit. It's gonna be lit.
Do you want to introduce yourself and tell us about how you're feeling?
I'm feeling great. It's raining. It's a great weather. Yes.
Hello.
Hello. I'm Siobhan. Feeling excited. Feeling pumped.
We like that energy. Hello.
I'm so excited.
Do you want to introduce yourselves? Man, go in the hole.
Feel the sand. It's so soft here. Feel it.
I feel your face.
You're just taking the shit back in. That was heavier.
You can use this song. Yeah. I can use the song if you want.
Can't zoom in on video.
You can. You zoom in like a video.
I know. That's the thing. It's
You can. It's just slowly.
oh, okay. It's very slow. Look what I have on here.
Put my home, tell me where you been. Grabbing my ass.
Hi guys, so oh, the camera's ready. So we're done at the beach and we're going to the bus stop right now. That's happening there.
That's a
There.
golf dad.
How do you
We're at
feel?
the Silver Mine Beach. Actually, I'm not drunk.
Yeah, of course she's not drunk. She's our like drunkenness is infusing into her though.
The what?
Other way. Yeah.
No, chapel.
Chapal.
Chapal. What do you call them, Mexicans? Chancla? Chancha? No, chanclas.
Wait, can we go play in the park?
Chanclas? I don't have time.
Next time, we'll go in the next bus. Boat.
Yeah.
Actually, you on a boat?
It's recording.
Other way, sideways.
Sheets. Good luck, Ferry.
Our shit is over there.
We could take the ferry to Central. Hi guys. Hi guys. So we're in the bus right now. We're going home. Say hi. Are you guys super tired? Super sleepy? Super sleepy? She's super drunk. I'm super drunk. I'll do sending stuff. I ended up
Speak properly, bitch. You what?
I have dirt on me.
I didn't say you have bird on you.
I have hurt. I got hurt. I ended up adding.
What are you trying to
I
say?
have never slurred my words before.
So
I ended up adding random people into a Snapchat group chat, and it's the most randomest people in the world together. It's so weird. Why are you combing my hair? Ow! Hi guys.
Isn't there a big pause in the middle?
Such a big pause. Hi guys, so we're at McDonald's right now. Everyone's left. It's just me, Audrey, and Sabaida. Oh my god, my teeth are so white. Okay, anyways, my vision's like super blurry, but whatever. This is Sabaida. How are you feeling?
I feel I can talk right now. Like I have sense in my tongue.
She's kind of drunk, but whatever. We're drunk too. It's fine. We're at McDonald's to get some fries, to get some sustenance in us, to be able to go home. Hey guys, so after we just went to McDonald's, we had fries and we just sat there for a while. Took the shuttle bus, came home. Home right now. Today I'd say overall was really fun. I honestly wouldn't mind doing it again. I had a lot of fun, but there's just some people who like the experience just made a little awkward. But one second, so I'm opening my door. You can see me opening my door. Sorted. I'm gonna open my shoes outside. I'm super sandy. Anyway, so it was. Oh, sorry. There was just some people who like made it a little awkward, but I'd say overall it was really fun. I had a really great time. Super wet, like soaking wet right now, and really sandy, so I'm gonna have to like shower first, then I'm gonna make some dinner. But yeah, that's all for today. I'll put some clips and some videos in the end. And yeah, see you next time with another video. Thanks for watching. Sorry I wasn't like that great of a vlogger. I'm sorry I was a little drunk, but I'll try to give you like a lot of clips and pictures and everything later after this clip. Okay, bye.